Today I'm going to show you exactly how to calculate your benefits step by step, which official website to use, and how to avoid common mistakes, especially the biggest one, which is relying on Google and ending up on scam websites. Remember, the only genuine website for UK benefits is gov.uk. In the search section, just write benefit calculator. Click search, you will end up on benefit calculators. This website will give you 3 different calculators. Number 1, entitled to benefit calculator. Number 2, turn to us benefit calculator. Number 3, policy in practice better off calculator. The first calculator is betteroffcalculator.co.uk. If you go on this one, you can see you need to log in and you can do continue without signing in. Start free calculation, and this will take you to this page where you have all the details. You need to provide your personal details first, and then it will ask you for other questions about your household, your benefit situation, etc. The second one is done to us, and this one is also a good calculator but not the best. The one I like the most is entitled to.co.uk. This is easy because it has got the option for organizations and for individuals on this site. Only annoying part is the ads which you can see on the right side and left side, above and at the bottom, all the way. So you will get these ads, but if you ignore these ads, it's easy for you. So the first question is, what are you entitled to? So if you see this, which describe best your current housing situation? So council, mortgage, temporary accommodation, living with. So let's do a case in which a person living with family and don't have a job and is looking for the benefits. So we'll put the postcode in SW1A0AA. Do you have a partner who normally live with you? No. How many children? There are no children. Are you British? Yes. Are you in hospital? No. Next, age, so 40-year-old. So we're just doing an example at the moment. So not employed. So the person don't have any job at the moment, and we wanted to check how much he can claim or get the benefit. Do you receive any disability allowance? No. Are you ill, disabled? No. Do you care someone? No. Next, benefits you currently receive. Do you currently receive universal credit? No. So the person recently got redundant from the job and is claiming job seeker allowance. So he's currently getting the job seeker allowance. Let's say this is just an example. Have you received managed migration notice? No. Now what is migration notice is basically about the universal credit, because they have moved all the benefits to universal credit. Do you receive any other benefits? No. Next, net income. So obviously the person is not earning anything. So income from fostering allowance. Housing, saving or capital over 6,000? Nothing. Income from spousal minimum payment, income from charity, voluntary assess. Do you own land? No. Income from resources, not already mentioned, so nothing. So next. So the current benefit entitlement is £92 per week. Reason I'm creating this video is to create awareness that how you can calculate all these things yourself. If you try to go and ask someone, you will, there are loads of people who can scam you. So especially Facebook is not the best. You can do all these things yourself on gov.uk. So this says weekly you can get £92 and monthly you can get £400 per month under universal credit. So our estimated is based on information you have entered and does not guarantee entitlement. So every case is different. When you will do your case, you will be able to see how you can do all these things yourself. This also explains you about extra help from your local council, NHS cost, prescription, eye test, dental, lower cost broadband. So this website can explain you whether you can get these things or not. You can also email your results. You can download your results. Once you download your results, you can print them or send file to your caseworker at the job center. Manage with your money budget tool. So they will provide you the details as well, but you need to create your account. So this is very simple. If you wanted to claim any benefits, you can do all the calculations yourself. On my channel, I have created loads of videos on benefits, how to claim universal credit, how to fill the application for universal credit, how to apply for disability allowance, how to apply disability badge if you got a car, how you can apply for pension credit. So I have created loads of videos on my channel. If you have come first time, don't forget to subscribe. All these videos are there to help you. If you have any question, put that in the comment section and I'll get back to you.